Hello viewers, today's video topic is the review form. Why do we add a review form, and if we want to add it, how can we do so? In today's video, we will learn about this. Let's suppose this is your product detail page. This is your product. You want that any user who visits your page, if a user purchases your product, you want them to be able to share their comments about your product so you can be informed about their feedback. For that, you need to add a review form. If you want them to be able to add a rating and let you know how they rate your product out of 5, then you will use a review form for that. Now, to add a review form, you need to edit this page with Elementor. Once your page is fully open and ready for editing within Elementor, you'll then have the convenient option to create a new section. And within that newly created section, you can easily add your desired review form. Right now, you can see that our page has almost finished loading in Elementor. In just a few moments, you'll see its display and then you'll be able to make any changes you want. Now you can see your page. The page has loaded. If you want to edit anything, just click on it and its details will open in the sidebar. You can make amendments there. Now, if we want to add a review form below the product, we need to add an element and search for review here. We have an element here called product reviews. We will drag and drop this element here. You will see that a bar appears showing us the 5-star ratio, how many are 4 stars, how many are 3 stars, and how many are 2 stars. Similarly, we have the overall rating. There is an option for writing a review. After that, we can see the reviews that our clients have added to our store, to our products. First of all, we want to give a title to this review form. We can give it a title. You will see that this title has now appeared. After that, there is the product ID. You need to remember that whenever you add a review form on the detail page, you don't need to enter the ID. The system will automatically fetch the ID of the open product. But if you want to enter the ID, you can do that as well. Let's suppose you want to add a review form on some other page, then it will be necessary for you to enter the ID there so that you can specify it. All the reviews you submit will automatically be posted to the product for which you have entered the ID. After that, you have the option of Style 1 and Style 2. If you select Style 2, you'll see that its appearance has changed. You can select whichever style you prefer. After that, you have the option for the product review switch. If you disable this, you'll see that all the reviews people had added have disappeared. Let's save our changes. After saving, we'll reload our page again and check whether our review form has appeared and then see if the reviews we disabled are being shown. You can see that your review form is currently visible, but none of the previously added reviews are being shown. So if you enable this, you'll see that your reviews will be displayed. We'll reload the page again and check whether our changes have been reflected or not. Yes, now you can see that all the overall reviews that people have added are now being displayed. Now we have the option to choose whether or not to display the overall rating. We have a 4.4 overall rating, and if we disable this, our overall rating will disappear. Now please save all of these changes. After saving the changes, you need to reload the page. You can see that our page has loaded and the overall rating is now gone. Our overall rating is no longer displayed. Now only the individual reviews are being shown. Or if we want to add a new review, that option is displayed. Let's suppose, for instance, that we meticulously add a brand new review with the specific name 1 star and then carefully write the detailed comment, "This particular product is absolutely not up to the expected mark at all," and subsequently, we promptly submit our newly created review. You will then clearly see that the very review we have just successfully submitted will immediately appear prominently at the very top among all the currently existing reviews, ensuring its immediate visibility. You can see that we added this review and it is visible. Now, you go to Elementor. You want the overall product rating to be shown, but the product review form where you can add a review should not be displayed. If you disable this, you will see that the write a review option will no longer be functional. We saved the changes. Then we came back and reloaded our page. Now we'll see that we won't be able to add another review for the one we already submitted earlier. Let's suppose we have the option to write a review. If you click on this, you can see that now it doesn't open the form where we could add a review. You can open this option. Further, you can add a title to the review form, and after that, you can add a description for the review form. After that, you have styling options. You can change the text color. There is typography. If you go into advanced settings, you have options to set margin and padding, etc. You have multiple options here like Z-index, position, and size. So all of this is styling that you can apply to your review form as you see fit. Now, if we take a final look, we'll see that our review form is displayed on our product page, and it's also showing us the existing reviews. It's also showing us the percent bar indicating how many 5-star reviews there are, how many 4-star reviews, and so on. It's also displaying the overall rating. After that, it's also providing the form to write a review. So in this video, we discussed what a review form is and how we can add it to the product page. We also discussed the method for adding it to a page other than the product page if we want to do that. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care.